It's yeah, sun is out, which is good. So that means I'm out riding. As you might be able to see up here, the sun hasn't always been out today. In fact, it was raining pretty heavily before, but it's now stopped raining and the sun is out again. So that means that I'm out riding. I mean, you can't stop me from riding when the sun is out. Well, you can, but and I wonder if my camera angle is good. That's my number one concern right now, because I have a new mount for my GoPro. So I'm testing out. The last two rides that I filmed, the angle was pretty bad, because the first time you could like see this down from here, not that bad, but you couldn't see a lot. The second ride, it was a little bit better, but still pretty bad. So this time I've tried my best to get the best possible angle, and if this isn't a good angle, then I don't know what I'm gonna do. You gotta avoid all the manhole covers. If you drive over them, that means bad luck, I think. I don't know. So I'm weeding for every single one of them. Oh, here we have some more, and another one, and another one. Damn, they're taking over. There's too many of them. You know, unless you think about every manhole cover you see, you don't think about how many manhole covers there are. There's another one, and I noticed that's a small one. Then we have two somewhere here. Yeah, right there we have two. I wonder why they put the manhole covers right next to each other. They have two right next to each other. I'm sure there's a good reason for it, but you know, it's still pretty weird, I would say. I don't understand why they do it. I mean, it must be cheaper and more logical. Unless it's like two different things. I don't know. I'm not that wise on the manhole covers, you know. I just see them and think, oh, a manhole cover. So if there are any plumbers out there watching who knows the difference between the manhole covers, it would be nice of you to comment. If there's anyone out there, you know, I don't know. I don't know if my videos speak to that kind of audience. But yeah, let's try and get this on plumbing shorts. Yeah, for the plumbers out there. So I can get my answer. I was gonna say let's accelerate, but I was already doing the speed that you're allowed to do here. But hell, man, I can go even faster. Oh my god, I was in the highest gear already. I didn't even notice it. That's kind of sick, man. That's a dead swerve. God damn. That's not good. That's not good. I wonder what I'm gonna talk about today. Good question. Pretend that I'm scratching my beard. That's what I do. When I'm thinking, I scratch my beard. But I can't access my beard right now because there's too many things in the way. And right here we have a speed camera. Since I'm a good boy, I slow down for the speed camera. You see, they've been kind of sneaky. You know, they have this sign here telling you, oh, it's a speed camera, but you can't really see it right now until now because they positioned it right behind this sign, so you can't really see it until you get close. Kind of smart.